Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change email templates in Zoho Invoice and Zoho Books. Customizing your email templates ensures your communications reflect your brand's voice and include all the necessary details your clients need, making your business correspondence more professional and personalized. Let's start by opening a web browser and navigating to zoho.com/books. This will take you directly to the Zoho Books homepage where you can access your account. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the page and click on Sign In. You'll be prompted to enter your Zoho credentials, so go ahead and log in to access your Zoho Books dashboard. After signing in, you'll need to access the Settings area. Click on the Settings gear icon located at the top right corner of the page. This icon is your gateway to all the customization and configuration options available in Zoho Books. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the Customization section and select Email Notifications. This is where Zoho stores all the templates used for automatic email communications with your customers. In the Templates section, you'll see various modules listed, such as Invoices Notification, Quote Notification, and Sales Receipt Notification. Choose the module you want to edit the email template for. Each module controls the emails sent for specific transaction types, so selecting the right one ensures your changes apply to the correct communications. Before diving into the template itself, you have the option to click Edit Signature if you want to modify the email signature that appears in these templates. This is useful for maintaining consistent branding across all your emails. Now look at the right side of the email template preview and you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Edit to open the email editor. This editor is where you'll make all your customizations. Here, you can edit both the email subject and the body content as needed. Zoho Books allows you to use placeholders like customer name to personalize each email automatically, making your communications feel more tailored and professional. Once you've made your edits, if you want this customized template to be the default for the selected module, mark the option that says Set this to default. This ensures that every time an email of this type is sent, it will use your customized version. Finally, click Save to apply all your changes. You've now successfully customized your email templates in Zoho Books, ensuring your business communications are professional and aligned with your brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.